I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the spring constant K or by planning a static test to find K. You need that value to compute maximum compression. Attach the spring to a rigid support and measure its free length, note it down. Add known masses or apply force increments while recording displacement. This gives you force versus compression data. Once done, fit a linear slope to get K if Hooke's law holds, and make sure to record the maximum safe load from specs or test limits before proceeding. You now compute the compression by applying Hooke's law, so rearrange F equals Kx to get X equals F/K for the target load. This tells you how much the spring shortens. Then calculate stored energy using 1/2 Kx2 to confirm your system can absorb it without damage. While testing, increase load in small steps, measure displacement, and check for nonlinearity or permanent deformation. If spring deviates, stop and reassess. Make sure to keep hands clear and use retention stops when testing higher loads. You finish by selecting the maximum compression as the smaller of the calculated X for maximum allowable force and the mechanical travel of your fixture. This prevents coil binding. Install hard stops or energy absorbers to enforce that limit in use and document any permanent set after load removal. If things go wrong, if compression is nonlinear or spring takes a set, inspect for coil contact, fatigue, or incorrect K measurement. Then repeat controlled tests and reduce the allowed compression accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.